Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed. And guys, this body is a brush fitting design, and how to this body is easily and clearly. All dimension is learn here, and one by one is drawing. All point is discussed here. Okay. Okay, this is our top view, and this is a front view, and this is a right view. All view is a, you can see here easily, and all thread details is clear, you can see here, and all dimension in millimeter. And this is a brush fitting design, and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. Today discuss here a very important lecture. Okay guys, all point clearly discuss here. Okay, this is a final product is a design here, and this body is designed easily and clearly, and all is a fitting is very nice looking here. Okay, this is a brush fitting is looking very nice, and this is a very useful and helpful any. Okay, this is a very nice looking here. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and part is this, and some setting is a very important, plain white, and this is this setting is document properties and going to image quality, and this image quality is very high because all dimension is clearly mention here. Okay, at first drawing this body. This is a hexagon is a drawing here, and this thickness is a 6 millimeter is thickness, and this is a diameter is, this diameter is 18 millimeter. Okay, use a front view, front plane, and going to, this is a polygon, and polygon is drawing here, and this is a use a 6 parameters because use a hexagon, and this polygon is a number of side is 6. Okay, anywhere is draw here, and and one line is a mention here a vertical. Okay, all is perfect. And this geometry is this dimension is mentioned here is 18 millimeter, perfect. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this thickness is 6 millimeter. Okay, and click OK. Okay, all is perfect. And this front side is select sketch normal, and drawing a circle is a this, and this circle is a this circle diameter is a 14 millimeter. Okay, this circle is diameter is 11 millimeter. Okay, and this a small circle is 14, and this big circle is 17, and this diameter, this circle diameter is 11, and 16.5 is a, this is a 16.5, and 50 degree angle is, this is a cutting here, and this is a cut is 5 diameter. Okay, and at first drawing a 11 diameter is 11. Okay, and use a extrude boss, and this is a, this length is 10 millimeter because this use a clearly, you can see here this length is 10 millimeter, and again this length is also 10 millimeter. Okay, and next is a back side is also select here, and use a circle is drawing here, and this circle is length is a, this diameter is 14. Okay, 14 millimeter is perfect. And use this extrude boss, and this extrude boss is thickness is 3 millimeter, only 3 millimeter is perfect. Okay. Okay, again select this face, sketch normal, and drawing a circle, and this circle is a okay, and this circle is a this 17 millimeter is dia. Okay, 17 millimeter is perfect. And use a extrude boss also, and this thickness is this length is a 10 millimeter is perfect. Okay. Okay, this body is a drawing here, and some use a chamfer. Chamfer is this is a 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle, and this is a 0.5 millimeter and 45-degree angle. And this use a chamfer. Chamfer is a 1 millimeter and 45-degree angle is select this, and also this chamfer is used here, and 0.5 millimeter and use a 45-degree angle is this. Okay, this, and this face sketch here, sketch normal, and this is a cutout, and then small circle is drawing here, and then this diameter, circle diameter is only 5 millimeter, and extrude cut is apply here, extrude cut. Okay, and through all select okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, all is perfect. Next is a okay, this is a perfect. Next is a this is a cutting here. This length is 6.5 millimeter and angle is 6 degree, and this gap between this length is 5.2 millimeter. This length is 8 millimeter and this length is 11 millimeter, and 2.5 is this. Okay, and this is a cutout. Use a top plane, sketch normal, and draw a center line, and center line is a this to this. Okay, and select a line is a select here, and this line is drawing here, and this line is also drawing here, this line, and also this to this, and connect to this. Okay, okay. Okay, this is a drag here. Okay, this line is also drag here. Okay, okay, and some dimension is mentioned here, and this is a 11 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 6.5 millimeter. Okay, and this angle between two, this is a 60 degree angle, and this length is a 8 millimeter. Okay, and this length is a 2.5 millimeter, and this gap, this length is a 5.2 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is okay, and this is a perfect. This length is 11 millimeter, and this gap, this center point to this distance is 5.2 millimeter, and length is 8 millimeter, and 6.5 millimeter and 2.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect. And use a extrude cut. Okay, revolve cut is apply here, and this axis is also select here, and use this and select. Okay, this is a okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a this cutting very nice looking here. this cutting is a perfect cutting. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and next is a okay. Okay, so nice, this is a perfect and next point is also discuss here this okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a 16.5 millimeter and 52-degree angle. Okay, this is a cutting here. Select this face, sketch, normal, and okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a perfect and this dimension is a 16.5. okay, and apply a extrude cut okay, extrude cut is a, this is a perfect and this is a side is a flipped side to cut and this angle is 52-degree angle. Okay, okay, and side flip side to cut and 52-degree angle, click OK. This is a looking very nice, and use a mirror and select a reference geometry and this face click here and OK, and use a mirror is this and cut is a extrude cut okay, and click OK. This is a perfect, and this plane is height because this body is looking perfect okay, okay, all is perfect and next is a thread is used here, and this thread is a length is 10 millimeter and pitch is 0.7, but 1 millimeter is perfect. This is a missing point. Length is 10 millimeter, pitch is 1 millimeter, and offset is 2 millimeter, and size is M7. Okay, apply a thread. Thread is a, this is a metric die and use a M7. Okay, M7 multiply 1, pitch is 1 and M size is 7, metric die, and click OK. This is a OK, but Phillips offset is a 2 millimeter is flip side. OK, and this length is a 10 millimeter is perfect and click OK. Okay, this is a better. Okay, and next is a also length is 13 millimeter, pitch is 1 and offset is 3 and size is 8. Okay, thread is apply here and select okay, this is a perfect and select this and okay, offset is 3 millimeter and this is a 13 and click OK. This is a perfect metric die and M8 multiply 1, pitch is 1 and size is 8 and click OK. All is perfect and correct, and this color is apply here and this color is a okay, this is a metal and brush and use a polish brush, and this is a perfect. Okay, okay guys, this body is looking perfect and correct and guys, I hope you will learn this process is learner easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.